Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. If you want to redeem a Google Play gift card on your Android device and you are wondering how to do so, in today's video, we will be giving you instructions step by step. So without any delay, let's just dive right in. Start by opening up the Google Play Store. You can find and tap on the Play Store app on your Android device to open it up. And once you open it up, you can go over to your profile in the top right corner of your screen from this particular interface. After you tap on it, a menu appears on your screen. Now you just need to go over to the option called Payments and Subscriptions from the given menu and go ahead and select it up. And once you find it up here, you'll be finding different options. You can directly look out for the option of redeeming a code or redeeming gift code option. So you can find that option at the very last right below the budget and history. You can go ahead and find it up and select it. After you select it, here you will be given an option to redeem a code. So here in the section, you can type in the code from your gift card in enter code section and just go ahead and tap on this redeem option. If not that, you can even tap on the option of scanning gift card to use your phone's camera to scan the bar to redeem your Google Play gift card. After it is done, you can just go ahead and tap on redeem and then confirm to add the balance to your account. And that way, you will be able to redeem the Google Play gift card on your Android device. And that's it. So therefore, everybody, if you also want to redeem your Google Play gift card on your Android device, this is the method you can follow up. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.